Hey everyone! In this video, we will be going over how to perform proper daily maintenance on your Mr. T-1 pretreatment machine to keep it in optimal state. First, we're going to open up the top lid. Pull the tube out of the pretreatment you've been using for the day. Use a bottle to fully cover the spray nozzle. Press clean on the front of the machine to manually run the pump. This will flush the line of pretreatment. Once the spray dies down, press clean again to shut off the pump. Next, your pretreatment machine should have come with two filters. Take the filter you used with the pretreatment and replace it with the other filter. Now place that into the bottle of distilled water. Once again, place the water bottle against the nozzle and press clean. This time you will be filling the line with distilled water, so keep the pump going until you hear a steady spray for about 3 seconds. Then press clean again to shut off the pump. Now at this point, the quick option is to take a toothbrush, dip it in pre-treat cleaning solution. We've included a few options in the description below. Take that toothbrush and brush the nozzle. Also place a few drops of cleaning solution into the sponge behind the nozzle to keep the nozzle moist overnight. The deep clean version will actually have you remove the nozzle. Drop that nozzle into a cup of pre-treat cleaning solution, and that filter you removed earlier that was used for the pre-treat, also drop that into the same solution and leave both overnight before installing them back onto the Mr. T1 for operation. Alright, that's it for your daily maintenance. Thanks for watching.